Cubao. Kahapon magbiyahe at nagtatok. We're going to Cubao. And then after meeting sa Cubao, magpo sa Marikina. We're meeting with Brother Daniel Gonzalez about our company, Rayong Lady Builders Corporation. See you there. Good luck sa amin meeting. Good morning, province. Good morning, Manila. Ay, mabuhay. Ito kami sa bus. RRCT bus. Aircon. Naog na kami din sa Starlight ship. Going na kami sa may Cubao. Namitin kami kay Brother Daniel Gonzalez, one of our partners, advisor sa Royal Layo Brothers Corporation. So, namitin kami and then after meeting proceed to Marikina, and then tomorrow we're going to interview with immigration together with Rich, Robert, and me, and my Mr. Chichi. Okay, good luck for me. Thank you, Lord, and God bless. Welcome to Manila, city of Manila. Building. WNS result.
May bigas na sabon. Magdamo na pasayro sir. Kita ko ang mabilin sa kanya. Magdamo na pasayro.
Welcome to Manila City, the center of the Philippines.
Wala sir. Nairan ko lang yan, sabi ni Sir Mario.
Birds down.
Kala ka pero